Defending champions Arnett Gardens extended their unbeaten run in this season's Red Stripe Premier League. But it's Portmore United who will enter 2018 the happier after they opened up a 4-point lead on matchday 17.
Portmore United entered their game against the UWIFC knowing anything but a win could see them giving up ground on the chasing pack. It took only 10 minutes before the league top marksman Javan East calmly slotted the St. Catherine-based team in front. The lead was held for 35 minutes as Patrick Brown drew UWI level on the stroke of half-time. Rushane Sharp headed Portmore United back in the lead 8 minutes after the resumption, and from there it was one-way traffic. Shaniki Burton in the 83rd, Ron D. Smith in the 90th, and a cheeky Ricardo Morris in time added on orchestrated a dominant Portmore United display which moves them to 40 points, 4 more than Arnett Gardens.
Very important because that was our aim at the beginning of the month to end strong, and also at the start of the preseason for us to dominate or be dominant. And we're in high spirits now, confidence are really high, and the players are putting in the good work.
Meanwhile, the defending champions extended their unbeaten run at the start of the season to 17, but still lost ground on Portmore United as they were held 1-1 by neighbours Boys Town at the Barbican Field. Fabian Reid opened the scoring for Arnett from the penalty spot on minute 26, before the returning Jamil Hardware levelled things in the 66th. Arnett was reduced to 10 men as Reid was shown a straight red card in minute 82 and will now miss the top of the table clash against Portmore United on January 7.
Despite of we going 1 goal ahead, we lapse in concentration in the latter part of the game. But it's a shadow of Arnett Gardens in terms of what we can do. And we know we have our internal problem presently that you are all aware of. And we are hoping that we can really make the turning point.
We played a very good Arnett Gardens team, defending champions. They are very deep. They are preparing for the Caribbean Club Championship, so they are looking at all the players that they have in their arsenal. So to come out here and match them for 90 minutes was very good.
Elsewhere, Sandals South Coast secured their 3rd win in the Premier League, clipping Humberline 1-0, while Tivoli Gardens, with goals from Marvin Stewart and Jermaine Johnson, had a 2-0 win over FC Reno. Cavalier are now 4th on the table after clipping 10-man Montego Bay United 1-0. Michael Spence got the all-important goal in the first minute of time added on, with Odane Niche being ejected 60 seconds later.
After 2.5 hours in the traffic, I was just hoping and praying that we were able to finish the first half unscathed. Once we finished the first half unscathed and we got a rest and we get to talk, we didn't even get to go over the game plan. We knew we would have had them, and the second half, we were much more dominant, got a lot of guilty chances, and at the end, we went for one of the fastest players in the business.
On Friday, Harbourview will travel to the Drewsden Stadium to play host Waterhouse. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.